Welcome to AFS Forex World. Today we will look at some basic Forex live trade. Previously we explained how to determine trends on this channel and how you can easily turn your $10 to $1,000 using simple setups and guide. On this video we are going to also cover how you are going to achieve this aim by practicing on a live trade, placing on a live trades. So please, if you are new in this channel, subscribe now and smash the bell icon, because new videos will be made available. New videos on how you can trade profitably will be made available in this channel every week. Okay, let's go into crash 500 index. So we're placing a trade at 4454.721, expecting spike in the next 3 to 5 seconds. Now looking at the setups, we have to place a stop loss at 4461 just to be disciplined, because in Forex, in order for you to be profitable in what you're doing, you have to be disciplined. It's very important. So moving to crash 1000 index and observing our indicators, I placed another trade at 7612.7070. Just observed what happened and note this is a live trade and real account that we're dealing. So but the question here is, why did we made this prediction? Why did we decided to actually enter this market at this particular instance? Stay to the end of this video. You're going to get all the answers you need, and also the guide that you will get is the guide that will guide you in order for you to trade profitably and make your profit. The reason why we made this prediction is first because of the indicators that we have set. At the indicator window 1, looking at the indicator window 1, the average directional movement is on 80 level, and the RSI, relative strength index, is on 60 level. That means it's on 20% deflections. So this shows me that spike must enter this market within 3 to 5 seconds. Spike must enter this market. Whether it's going to be a big spike or not, I cannot predict that, but I know that there must be a spike in this market. That is why I entered the market. Now, secondly, if you watch what happened, spike came. Now I made a profit of $2.24 immediately, because I am using the lowest loss size, which is 0.20. That is what I'm using. That is why the profit level is also small. But if you increase your profit, your loss size to like 0.50, you're going to make like 3 times 4 times of what I made now. But in order for me to monitor this, because as I'm speaking, as I'm trading, you know, I cannot actually be able to monitor everything. I will be explaining, so I have to reduce the loss size. Now also, this is why you should always go for spikes, because now I was on a loss of about 30 cents, and spike came, pushed me back to a profit of $2.24. But if you are collecting, if it's a candlestick scraping you are doing, you will find out that before you can be able to make this profit, you are going to stay long in the market. But if you spike, you are trading spike, you will make this profit easy. I will always advise my students to always go for spikes, because you can be able to manage it. Now I closed the market not just because I knew that the spike will take. No, it's not going to take long before it will come, because if you look at the market, you also observe that the market have already made a higher high and a lower low. And looking at the higher high and the lower low, it also determines that the market is going to actually drop. It's going to make a new higher high. That is that the market is going to make a new higher high. If you're looking at this 15 minutes time frame, it's going to make a new higher high, and after it reaches this new higher high, it's going to make another new lower low. So this is another indicator telling us that this market is profitable. And if we want to trade on a 15 minutes time frame, you can put your stop loss and leave this market, because this market is going to go along with the spike will continue to come until it meets that higher high before it comes back to make another lower low. Now let's go to crash 500. Looking at this crash 500, we'll find out that, as we're explaining, that spike have already entered the market at 4457 level and pushed me back to a profit. You know, when we checked crash 500 last, I was at a loss of 87 cents. Now you can see that the spike came, as we were explaining, and pushed me back to a profit of profit already. Pushed me back to a profit already before it gets to my stop loss. Spike came and pushed me back to a profit. So with these setups and indicators, you will trade with zero loss. And also understand that in this channel, we make sure that every of the strategies that we're releasing to you guys has been tested and proven to be effective before we make videos for them. So below is the setup that we used for this explanation. This same setup is used to determine the trend of the market. So stay tuned as I show you guys the setup that we use for this live trading for today's video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon. Thank you.